Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Prolite PL590 LW Deluxe Tripod. So this is a lightweight tripod, and here we've got the box with us. So let's take a look at the box. So on the side we've got some features here, some specifications. We've got a max height of 1365 millimeters, a minimum height of 415 millimeters, a folded height of 425 millimeters, a max tube diameter of 17.5 millimeters, a net weight of 580 grams, and the tripod can hold a maximum load of 2.5 kgs. And if you take a look at some of the imagery on the side, you can see that it supports a smartphone, and also on the other side you've got a camera, and actually it mentions over here it's compatible with smartphones, action cams, cameras, and even iPads. So let's take a look inside the box. So inside the box we can see that the tripod comes in its own carry bag, which makes it quite easy to carry around. So let's keep the box out of the way. Now let's get the tripod out. Okay. So inside we've got a mount for your smartphone, which we'll keep over here. So here we've got the tripod itself, and on the top you can see you've got the mount for the camera. You can easily attach the smartphone mount to this if you want to use it with a smartphone, and this is actually an easily detachable. The camera mount is easily detachable for quick swapping if that's something that's important to you when you're looking for a tripod. Coming to the looks of the tripod itself, it's full black. It's got a full black body. It's quite lightweight, and the adjusting mechanisms are fairly simple to use, very easy to control. Similarly, over here you've got the adjusting mechanism for the mount itself, again fairly easy to use. And so there you have the Prolite PL590 LW Deluxe Tripod. Thanks for watching.